Hello, myself KK Bhatt from LPM Public School. Dear student, today once again I am going to teach you the chapter class. Today I am going to teach you the adverb class. The adverb class. I think you understand well what is adjective class as well as what is noun class. In this sequence, today I am just going to describe what is adjective class. Now see here, just I am going to teach you what is adverb classes. You know well that adverb classes act as an adverb in a sentence. It means the particular class is used to describe about verb as well as adjective and other adverb. Now see here how to identify the adverb class. Ask a question with principal class. How will we identify adverb class? Ask a question with principal class with when, where, why, how. These are the words. By that we can able to get the answer. And the answer of that particular class that is called adverb class. So now see what that is. A class that act and adverb is an adverb class. Adverb. You know well what is adverb? Adverb that is used to describe or what adjective or the verb. Say here the word hard. Hard just used to describe how did he work? How did he work? Your answer is hard. So you understand what is adverb. Now see here, what is kind of adverb class? Dear students, adverb class describing the time, place, purpose, result, contrast, and so on, meaning. In this sequence, just I am going to tell you, just I am going to tell you, the first is adverb classes of time. Adverb classes of time. I think you understand what is time. When you put a question with when, the answer of the particular sentence just describe about the adverb class of time. What type of conjunction used to describe time class? See here, till, until, since, after, before, when, while, as soon as so on, many. I think you understand well what is till, until, since, after, before, when, while, as soon as it is. This particular conjunction describe about the adverb class of time. Just see here, example, we must reach before the bus leaves. Here the word before, just use here to connect the sentences and also indicates about the time. That is why this particular sentence is called a class, adverb class of time. The same as we can use here till, until, since, after, before, when, while, as soon as so many. I think you understand well what is the adverb clauses of time. Now see here, Second, adverb clauses of place. Now see here, adverb clauses of place. Adverb clauses of place. Place, that is clear. Place, for place we use where, wherever, or wherever. Wherever the conjunctions are used, where, wherever, where, where. This particular conjunction describe about a place. For example, I know the place where he lived. I know the place where he lived. Or I know where he lived. Or I know where he lived. Where just describing what? About the place. Where just describe about the place. As same as if anyone say that Gandhiji was welcomed. Gandhiji was welcomed wherever he went. But you understand? Wherever he went. It means Gandhiji was welcomed wherever he went. These two particular sentences describing about the adverb classes of place. You see one more example. Keep the was, keep the was where it will be safe. It will be safe. What do you understand? Keep the was where it will be safe. It means the particular word where describe about the place as same as I give an example. I know where he lived. Gandhiji was welcomed wherever he went. I think you understand well what is the adverb clause of praise. Now see here the third is now see here the third is adverb clause of purpose. Adverb clause of purpose. Adverb clause of see here purpose. Purpose just describing the act. Purpose means aim. What is the aim of doing the particular work? For that we use the conjunctions that, so that, in order that, in order that, list. See here that, so that, in order that, and list. These words used to describe the purpose. For example, if you say walk carefully, lest you may fall. Walk carefully, lest you may fall. Here just describing walk carefully, otherwise you may fall. See here, the adverb purpose, so that just indicates the purpose. Try to understand through the example. Look at the example. We eat. We eat so that we may grow strong. We may grow strong. We eat. What is the purpose of eating? What is the purpose of eating? We may grow strong. We may grow strong. That is indicates about the purpose, and so that indicates what is the purpose to eat. What is the purpose of to eat? The answer is we may grow strong. We may grow strong. Just I am telling you that when we put question with principal class, the answer of the particular principal class is called adverb class. Is clear to everyone? We so that we may grow strong. As you may you see many example within order that we saw that. So I think you understand what is adverb or what is adverb clause of purpose. What is adverb clauses of purpose. Now see here the next. Now see here the next adverb clause of reason. Adverb clauses of adverb clauses of reason. You know what is this? Reason just describing why. Reason just describing why. So for that we use the conjunction to describe reason since, because, since, because, and. This is conjunction describing about the reason. I think you are familiar the use of because. See here how. See here how. You can even say I must leave now. I must leave now because I am feeling unwell. Because I am feeling unwell. Because I am feeling unwell. What is the reason to live? What is the reason to live? What is the reason to live? The answer is feeling unwell. Feeling unwell. That is why the particular sentence describe about the reason. As same as since I am feeling unwell, I must live. I want to live. Since I am feeling unwell, I want to live. Just since use before the principal class. Before the principal class. Understand? So if we can see here how we use since. Since I am feeling unwell, I want to leave now. I want to leave now, or I must leave now. I think you understand what is the use of since and because. Both are these words describing about the adverb clause of what is. Now see the next. Now see the next adverb clause of condition. Adverb clause of condition. Adverb clause of condition. Adverb clauses of condition. Condition for that we use if, whether, unless, in case, so long as, so long as. It is if, whether, unless, in case, so long as. You know that if just describing about the condition. If just if itself occasion. If I was there. If I was there. And so on many questions described with, that's on many sentences described with if or with. Those are describing about the condition. See your example. If you like it, if you like it, In case I said, get it for you. Get for what is the condition? If you like. What is the condition? If you like, then I shall get it for you. Get it for you. Here, the particular sentence describe about the condition. So whenever the sentence condition, so for that we can use if, whether, unless, in case, so long as. Now see the text. The next is adverb clauses of comparison. Adverb clauses of comparison. You know what is meaning of comparison? When we compare someone with other. For that we use what? Than, as, and so as, and so as, and so as. Do you understand? Than, as, then he is better than you. As he is as beautiful as you. As soon as these words are used to describe the comparison between two nouns. Now here, and try to understand. The boy is taller. The boy is taller than his sister. Here is comparison between the boy and sister. Who is taller? The boy is taller than his sister. So here it means comparative degree to describe about adverb clause of comparison. For that we use than, as, and so as. Now see here the next. Adverb clause of contrast. And more clauses of contrast. Contrast. For that we use though, although, even though, even if, it is, even if it is. Would you understand? Contrast. Though, although, even though, even if. This word describing about the contrast. For example, we can see that he is honest. Although he is poor, but he is honest. Describing about what? Although he was poor, he is honest. Poor and honest, both having contrast quality. But here we see that. Now the next is though I am not wealthy. I am not wealthy. I will still be a successful businessman. Though I am not wealthy. The contrast with a successful business. It's clear to everyone? Now see here the last. I hope you understand. Well, through the example, adverb clause of manner. Adverb clauses of manner. Here we talk about manner. For manner we use as, if, as though, etc. She was walking as. For example, she was walking as if she was in hurry. She was in she was in hurry. Adult clause of manner. For that we use as if, as it is said. She was walking as if she was in hurry. And describing about how she was walking. I think you understand well. Thanks to watch my video. I hope you must like, subscribe and share in your group. Thanks once again.